I have a young lady here that I watched riding her bike around the last 2 days with the Classic Club. What is your name?
I am Vicki Hose, and I'm on a Honda RS125.
Vicki
Hose, H-O-S-E, like hose pipe.
Oh, Vicki Hose.
Yeah.
Now, what made you want to ride motorcycles with the Classic Club?
What made me want to ride them is because this is going to sound really cringy, but I want to make my dad proud because he's always done that for.
Was he a motorcycle rider?
Yeah, he's done it since he was in his 20s and he's 61 now, Michael Hose. And it's just inspired me to do my own.
Well, what else do you do when you're not riding motorcycles?
I actually want to be a fashion designer.
Do you?
Yeah.
Are you finished school yet?
I'm in my last year now. I'm about to do my GCSEs.
And her dad has already put her bike away in the van, anxious to go home. And there it is, a Honda. Number 41. What size Honda did you say it was?
It's a 125.
Oh, a nice Honda 125.
Yeah.
Perfect size for you.
Yeah. People have been coming up to me and saying, oh, I'd be too big to ride that. And then they look at me and they're like, that makes sense.
And where is home?
Home, Wirral, opposite Liverpool.
Oh,
yeah.
So you got a fair little drive to get you home tonight with your family.
It's about 2 hours.
Oh. Well, thanks so much for talking with me, and I want to get a full view of your leathers because they look really great.
Thank you.
We'll see you next meeting, possibly.
Yeah, hopefully.
Bye-bye.